guys, and welcome to another edition of Market Runners, beating the market one trade at a time. New Market Runners investment channel helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. Alright, so I'm giving you a portfolio update. Started this series last week, so go check out the video for last week. First things first, if you'd like to join the private group, I have a Patreon group. It's just $10 a month where I have live streams as well as some daily watch lists. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you check it out down below in the description. Also, if you'd like to sign up for Robinhood and get a free stock, that's down in the description below as well. All right, so we give you my portfolio update for the week, so you can go check it out. The video for last week, just going to tell you some moves that I have going on. So currently, have two contracts for NEO that are going to be expiring on the 22nd. And then I have one call for Tesla that expires the 22nd as well. And then I have one for NEO again at the $70 strike price that expires on the 29th. So a little further out than the one prior. And then on here I have 6 Amazon calls that expire in February 19th. For the $5,300 strike price. So I'm up on the top 3 ones, but as far as the one at the bottom, I'm currently down $58. So I did get a little bit of Bitcoin, so I jumped into that as well. So that was kind of a spec play. I saw it going up, so I kind of jumped in on a little bit of it. But overall, let me tell you the moves. So for today, was up $4,913. On the week, see up $4,699. So you all can go and see on the video prior where I was to begin with on the actual price. We're going to talk about some of the trades from this week. So hopefully for next week you all can follow those and then execute on some of those as well. There are a lot of crazy things going on in the market, but you know, I'm not a perfect trader by any means. So, you know, could have done a lot better, but, you know, I don't really have much capital to invest. So, you know, just do the best with what you got. That's just my encouragement for today. Do the best with what you got. If you can't make, you know, gigantic plays, make the little plays, and they'll soon add up to be the big plays. So, you know, there are plenty of people out there who have the capital, who have no idea what they're doing. But for people who tell you that it's always positive all the time, you can look at my previous video, and I was down quite significantly on a lot of those, but you know, just look to see the difference 1 week can make, and then you know, see the difference in that. So it's just basically the ups and downs of trading. So the video is just geared to give you all motivation that you all can do it too. I believe in all you all. You know, you all watch the channel. You all, you know, have the same capability I have. A lot of you all are probably way smarter than I am, so I believe you all can execute and find some good trades like these as well. So I'm going to go to my top 3 trades for the week. So first I'm going to type in ticker sign FCEL for fuel cell energy. I was doing pretty good this week overall. I liked some of the action that it had. If we look on here, the ones that I executed, so we see this is an old one. So for the last week, I bought one contract at $48 and then sold it for $72. So it was a profit on that one. It was a day turnaround trade, so a quick in and out on that one. And some of you all may be saying, you know, how do you avoid the PDT rule? I usually get stocks and I try to, or calls, or, you know, options, and I try to make sure my option has a long expiration date, as well as, you know, something that I don't mind holding for quite a while. You know, having those that you know try to turn around the same day and doing that over and over again, you know, every day, you know, is not really gonna you know, help with the PDT rule. So, you know, I'm not trading with the large account as well, so it's clearly under 25,000. So, you know, that PDT rule definitely can hurt you if you're trying to do that every day. And you don't have to trade every day, you know, to have gains in the market. Clearly, I have not traded every day, and you can see some of the gains. So the next one is ticker sign NEE for Next Era Energy. I was able to jump in and out of this one as well to get a small profit. So bought at $6 and sold at $10. So quick, easy turnaround on that one. That was the same one, the 6th and the 7th. So because I bought on the 6th and I sold on the 7th, I wasn't affected by the PDT rule. So the PDT rule, at least as Robinhood is concerned, only happens when you buy one on the 6th and sell it on the 6th. So that'll count as one towards you if you buy on the 6th and sell on the 6th. But if you buy on the 6th and sell on the 7th, then it doesn't count for PDT. So just make sure you're checking and looking at that for consideration for PDT rules. And if you're not familiar with what PDT is, that's basically if you do more than, I think it's 3 day trades, they mark you as a pattern day trader, and they basically lock your account. So that's not what you want at all. So make sure you know that you keep that in mind when executing your trades. Now, I do currently have one contract in this one still open. I jumped back in this one because I do believe that it's going to touch that $900 level for next week. Even though it's going down, I still believe that it will. But I wanted to be able to take profits because the problem that I had in the past is I just would not take profits. And, holding on to a stock for too long is never a good thing. So on here we can see we're going to show more. So from last week, I had these ones from last week. Basically, since Tesla got added into the S&P 500, that's basically the day that I executed these calls with the $1,200 strike price. I believe that it was going to go to the $1,200 or at least get close to it. So we can see the day that it was added to the S&P 500, I bought 3 contracts for $99. And then the stock started going down, which I expected to happen. And then I bought 5 more for $63. And then I bought on the 22nd, the very next day, the stock was still going down. So I bought some for even cheaper. So I got 1 contract for $26. Then I got 8 contracts for $28 each. So this is each. So in total, that made the 17. Which I then sold those contracts today for $300 each. So, definitely 2x, 3x those as far as sell wise is concerned. I jumped back in because I wanted to have at least one. But if we see right here, my expiration date was on the 15th. So theta decay was definitely going to be of major concern for me. So that's why I quickly thought about it and was like, I want to take profits because this theta decay is not going to be too friendly. And based on the momentum of where the stock was going, I didn't really see it going to 900 today. So it rallied up quite a bit. Some of the articles came out. The release of the 25,000 Model Y came out. So that was kind of news enough for me to be like, all right, that's enough momentum for the day. It's probably going to sell off after that and start over next week. And then next week you have theta decay, which is not really going to help you. So I jumped out of that one and then jumped back in one and basically pushed it out an additional week so that the theta decay didn't really affect me on that one. So that was the big trade for this week. And you can make those trades too. If you look, some of those were like just $28. Turn $28 into $300. So each one of those, don't have to multiply it this much, but it can happen. You can make these trades as well. The whole goal is just to show you all an insight of what's going on. To show you, you don't have to be a special trader and have like special knowledge to execute really good trades. Just stick with your fundamentals, and it should all work out for you. Write down some rules, write down some exits. Don't be greedy and make sure you take profits. So taking profits is kind of frowned upon sometimes, or at least in the past, I thought it was bad to take profits. As soon as I see something, get profits, take it, because sometimes I was burned on that. But that's the whole, I guess, joy of selling stocks is you learn when to take profits and when not to take profits. And you learn, what stocks to sell off and what stocks not to sell off. So overall, I think, I've learned quite a bit of lessons while trading, and that's the whole fun of it. One of my joys is to be able to share this experience with everybody out there, to show you all what's going on, and especially, that's why I started the private group, so share it with more people. So if you're interested, that's going to be down below in the description, so make sure you check that out. And then also, for everybody out there trading, just encouragement that you can do it. If you start out with a small account, you'll see last week, I was negative quite a bit, and then up significantly this week. So that's basically saying you all can do it. If I can do it, you all can do it. And just start small. Start with one trade. See how that trade works out. Write it down. For me, I have a journal that I write some of my stuff down. So this is my journal right here. I write a lot of the stuff down, a lot of the plays. So I would encourage everybody to get a journal. Journals definitely help you out. Make sure you track all the different trades. Join different groups. It doesn't have to be mine. The goal of this, is not for me to promote myself to make money. It's to, help encourage everybody that you can do it. There are a lot of free services out there. A lot of people have a lot of good information on YouTube. That's where I started. That's how I learned how to trade options, was basically on YouTube. So you all can do it. It's just an effort thing, really, in my opinion. So the more effort you put in, the better off you can become. And just do due diligence. Read and read. Read as much as you can. Try to go with stocks that about, how the company functions, the CEO, all that information, because that can definitely help you when executing trades as well. So hope this video helped you all. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.